Hello, grade 5 learners. Let me ask you something. If you had 18,000 pesos and you spent part of it on food and rent, could you figure out how much is left? Sounds tricky, right? Well, don't worry. Today, we're going to become problem-solving experts as we learn how to solve multi-step problems involving multiplication of fractions. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to solve real-life word problems using fractions. Use the 4-step problem-solving method. Multiply fractions with confidence. Let's warm up. What is 1/4 times 4/5 equals? 3/15 times 3/7 equals. Remember, multiply the numerators. Multiply the denominators. Easy, right? Today, we'll take it to the next level. Word problems. Before solving, we must follow the 4 steps in problem solving. 1. Understand the problem. 2. Plan what to do. 3. Solve. 4. Check your answer. Think of it like being a detective. You gather clues, solve, then check. Let's solve this together. Rita earns 18,000 pesos. She spends 1/6 on rent, 1/3 on food. How much is left for other expenses? Step 1. Understand. What are we looking for? Money left. Step 2. Plan. We subtract what she spent. 18,000 pesos minus the quantity of 1/6 of 18,000 pesos plus 1/3 of 18,000 pesos. Step 3. Solve. First, multiply the fractions. 1/6 of 18,000 equals 3,000. Next, 1/3 of 18,000 equals 6,000. Now, add the two products. 3,000 plus 6,000 equals 9,000. Finally, subtract. 18,000 minus 9,000 equals 9,000. Step 4. Check. Does it make sense? Yes. Total is still 18,000. Final answer, 9,000 pesos. Now let's try this. There is 3/4 of a pizza. Fernando eats 1/2 of it. How much did he eat? Solution. 1/2 times 3/4 equals 3/8. Imagine overlapping slices. You'll see 3 out of 8 parts. Answer, 3/8 of the pizza. Another one. 2 trays of burgers, 24 each. Total equals 48 and 1/4 are left. 1/4 times 48 equals 12 left. 48 minus 12 equals 36 eaten. Answer, 36 burgers consumed. You can also use drawing models, pattern recognition. These make problems easier and more fun. Try this. Melanie has 18 mangoes, 24 bananas, 30 apples. She gives 1/3 of each. One-third times 18 equals 6. 1/3 times 24 equals 8. 1/3 times 30 equals 10. Total equals 6 plus 8 plus 10 equals 24 fruits. So what did we learn today? Understand, plan, solve, check. And remember, fractions help us solve real-life problems. Awesome work today, Grade 5. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep practicing. See you in our next math adventure. Now let's sharpen our knowledge by trying this activity.